It is raining a lot these days, so I'm looking at preparation for my autumn growing season, since I could not grow anything this summer. And here I'm just preparing my planting holes for my tomatoes, and this is spaced at about 1 meter apart, and then in rows is about 50 or so meters apart. So yeah, as you can see, I've dug some holes here. So what I will do now is just to put in some Kraal Manure in these holes, and then mix it with soil, and then I will leave it for, I don't know, a couple of days before I can either plant a direct plant or get seedlings and then transplant. Yeah, but for now, yeah, this is the holes that I've dug. So this is about a spade or so deep. Yeah, this is about a spade or so deep. Yeah, so this is it. So this is the Kraal Manure. This is the Kraal Manure, and then what I'm going to do now, I'll put about as much as I can, and then I'll mix this with this soil, and then I will let it just sit for a couple of days before I can actually plant. Like I said, it's either I'm going to get seedlings or I'm going to direct plant. Yeah, so I'll come back once I'm done putting this. As you can see now, we've got our Kraal Manure in all these holes. Got our Kraal Manure in all these holes. So yeah, so we just need to mix it in. And depending how it looks after this, I might have to put some more. I actually think I'm going to put some more, because as you can see, it is well mixed. I think I'm going to put some more as well. as you can see, the manure is mixed with the soil now. It is mixed in with the soil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some more, because initially I had put 4 handfuls of this, and then I think I'm going to put another 3 or 4 handfuls to make it a total of 7, and then I will mix it in again, and then after that I will put maybe 2 more on top, and then that 2 I will leave it on top, so that when it rains or when I water, then it drains, so that it drains, and then only the manure remains on top. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to put some more manure on top of this one that is already mixed in the soil. Now that as you can see, I've put on some more manure again. This is the second time, the second batch, and like I said, this is about 3 handfuls now. And then what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to start mixing it in again, and then after mixing it in again, I will then put another one like this, but then that load, if you will, I will leave it like this. So let's go. This is, you got to trust your processes. I'm not saying this process will work for you. I'm not saying that, but I know that for me it will work. So just trust your processes. Whatever process you undertake before you plant, trust in that process and believe that it will work for you. You will see it will work for you. And then if it does not work for you, you can always, the thing about the process is that you can always refine it until you get it right. This one, I know it will work for me because I've actually tried it elsewhere and it's been working for me. So, and not only for me, it's been working for centuries the process of using manure to grow food. Yeah, so that is it. I'm going to mix all this, and then after that I'll put some more on top, and then I will leave it at that until I come and plant again. Yes, as you can see now, this is done again for the second time now. It's well mixed in. As you can see, the manure is well mixed in now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on top now, and then I will just leave it like that. If you wish, if you want to direct seed, you can actually do it after this step, but I'm still figuring out if I should direct seed or if I should get seedlings. So meantime, I'm just going to put some more manure on top of this one, and then I will leave it unmixed, and then should I get seedlings, I'll just come and then plant that seedlings and still leave that manure on top like that. But then should I decide during the course of time that maybe I should direct seed, I'll just come mix it again with the soil and then direct seed. But yeah, I will see how it goes. But for now, I'm just going to put it on top now. Well, I'll do three again. I'll do just 3 handfuls again, and then yeah, that should be enough. 3 handfuls, that should be enough. So all in all, I've put about 10 handfuls of manure per hole, and remember, this is about a spade deep. Yeah, so this is about a spade deep. So I'll just do it with all this, and then I will leave it, and that will be all for today after I'm done with all this. Think I'm done here. I'm done here. As you can see, all this I've put these guys on top. Now I'll just let it soak in when it rains, and that will be all for today. Thank you once again, guys.